Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Bright HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in brighthr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Bright HR. Now in order to log into your account, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will now be taken into the login portal. Now, if you created your account using your Apple, Google, Microsoft or Facebook accounts, you can click on the respective buttons. Otherwise, enter your email address within the email address box and then type in your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Bright HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Bright HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.